The GoHawk Motorcycle Bluetooth Speakers 1000-watt system delivers surprisingly strong volume and punchy bass that easily cuts through wind and engine noise on the highway. Its 4-inch full-range speakers and 4-channel amplifier provide clear, balanced sound that works well for both music and spoken audio on motorcycles and other 12-volt vehicles. Wireless Bluetooth connectivity pairs quickly with smartphones, while the auxiliary input, universal serial bus port, secure digital card slot, and built-in radio give you several convenient ways to play music. The weather-resistant speaker housings and advanced waterproof rating make this setup a solid choice for riders who regularly face rain, road spray, and dust. Chrome-finished enclosures and compact pods mount cleanly on handlebars or crash bars, adding a polished look without overwhelming the bike's style. The included wiring, mounting hardware, and simple plug-and-play power connection make installation approachable even for riders with only basic do-it-yourself experience.